All right, I'm going to be installing the line set covers today, so I just want to do a quick kind of one-handed cell phone video of what you get in the box here. This is the Senville 20-foot line set kit off of Amazon. I will post a link, of course, because I want you to buy stuff through my links. And you get 6 tubes. These are about this is a 3-inch set. It does look like there are some protuberances in there, which might be concerning, but probably not too much to worry about. These will either slide together or snap together. Each tube is a little over 39 inches long. So you get 6 39.5-inch long tubes. You get 4 connectors to connect your tubes together. You get 1 elbow. There is no pre-drilled drain hole in the elbow, so I'll have to do that because I want the drain hose going straight down, not following the line set the whole way. You get 1 reducer. I'm assuming this is just so your line sets come out at the end in a semi-neat fashion. And you get 1 headpiece, which does separate into 2 pieces, so you can install it after you've already put your line sets up. So if you're like me and you did your install first and then you're going, "Jam, that looks like shit, I better put some line set covers on there." This product will work for that. So just want to do a brief one here, and I'm going to go wrap that tape around my line sets, and then hopefully I'll get this done today. You have a good one.